Hey there, entrepreneurs, ready to level up your online store game? Click the link in the description below to get your exclusive discount on Shopify. Now, let's dive into the ultimate Shopify review you didn't know you needed. Alright, so Shopify, the name you've heard a million times. But is it really the secret sauce to your e-commerce success? Spoiler alert, it just might be. First things first, Shopify is like the Swiss Army knife of e-commerce platforms. It's got everything you need to build, grow, and manage your online store. Seriously, it's got more tools than a handyman's garage. From customizable templates to inventory management and even marketing tools, it's all in there. And the best part? No coding skills required. Yep, even you can do it. Let's talk about ease of use. Setting up a store on Shopify is smoother than a fresh jar of Skippy. The user interface is super intuitive. Just drag, drop, and you're good to go. And if you ever get stuck, their support team is available 24/7. It's like having a tech-savvy friend who doesn't ghost you. Now, for the features. Shopify offers a bunch of themes, over 70 professional ones to be exact. Whether you're selling handmade candles or high-tech gadgets, there's a theme for you. Plus, they're mobile responsive, so your store looks fab on any device. And let's be real, in 2025, if your site isn't mobile-friendly, you're basically living in the Stone Age. Another cool thing? Shopify Payments. No more juggling third-party payment gateways. With Shopify Payments, you can accept credit cards directly on your site. And it supports multiple currencies so you can sell to customers worldwide. Hello, global domination. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty pricing. Shopify starts at $39 per month for the basic plan. It might seem a bit steep, but think of it as an investment in your business. Plus, with the discount link below, you'll get an even better deal. You're welcome. And if you're a data nerd like me, you'll love the analytics Shopify provides. You can track sales, customer behavior, and even see which products are flying off the virtual shelves. It's like having a crystal ball for your business. But wait, there's more. Shopify's App Store is packed with over 6,000 apps. Need to boost your SEO? There's an app for that. Want to integrate with your social media? There's an app for that too. Basically, if you can dream it, there's probably an app for it. So is Shopify the ultimate e-commerce platform? In my book, it's a resounding yes. It's versatile, user-friendly, and packed with features that make running an online store a breeze. Ready to give Shopify a spin? Click the link in the description below to get your discount and start building your dream store today. Thanks for watching and happy selling.